Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 61 of solving daily problems on LeetCode. Now let us see what today's problem is. So today's problem is to maximize the happiness of selected children, which is a medium level problem. So now let us first read this problem. It says that you are given an array of length n and a positive integer k. Now we are given an happiness array where the happiness of ith child is the value stored at happiness I place. Okay, and we have to select only k children in k turns. In each turn, what we will do, we will select a particular child and we will decrement all other values by 1 after selecting a child from the given array. And it is also given that the happiness value cannot be negative, so we have to decrement it only if it is a positive number. Okay, so let us see the example here. Example is 1 2 3. Now uh, to solve this problem, let us first understand how we can solve it. Okay, so first let us see this array 1 2 3. In this array we know that if we have to select our first child, so we will prefer to select the greatest the child with the greatest happiness, with the maximum happiness. Okay, so let's say first I will select 3, and after selecting 3 my result, I have added 3 to it, and k is decremented because we have to select only 2 children. One I have selected, now one is left. But after selecting 3, what I will do, I will decrement both the remaining values in my happiness array by -1. So the resultant array after selecting 3 will become 0 and 1. Now what you will prefer, to select a child with 0 happiness or to select a child with 1 happiness, because 1 will give you the maximum result. So we will take the value 1, and in next iteration what will happen, my happiness array, it will become 0, so I cannot select more children because k value was 2. So to solve this problem, first we will create here a variable to store our result. Okay, next our task would be to sort this happiness array in decreasing order. I will sort it in reverse order. Let's say my example is 1 to 3, so I will sort it like 3 to 1. Now next step is to check for the k value if it is greater than 0. If my k value is greater than 0, then in that case I can select the child at I index. Okay, at current index. First index I can select. I have selected 3. Then in next iteration my k value will become 1, and if k is equals to 1, still I can select. And now what I have to do is I have to subtract 1 from the current value. But how many times I have subtract? The number of times I have selected the student. Let's say in the first iteration there is no need to subtract anything. In the next iteration I have to make my array current value -1, and in the next iteration it will be 2 minus 2. So like this we will subtract the values. Now let us try to code this problem. Okay, so first we will declare here a variable to store our result, which is initially 0, and a turn variable which will store our turns, that how many times we have to subtract, while k minus minus is greater than 0. And let us sort our array. Sort happiness dot begin comma happiness dot end, and to sort it in descending order, here we will pass greater in. This method will sort it into descending order only. Okay, so now what is my task is to take the first element and add it into my result array. So result plus equals to, I will take the maximum. Either, see, element can be negative. If it reaches negative, then in that case what I have to do, I have to take the maximum of 0 and my happiness of I minus my turn. Okay, and in every step I will increment my turn. At last I will just return my result. Okay, so now let us try to run this code. We are missing something. Oh, okay, so let us take a variable here, int I equals to 0, and we will also increment our I every time. It is accepted. Let us check for other example test cases also. You can see it is accepted. Now let's just submit this to test for other test cases also. So we have solved today's problem of the day. I hope this video solution was clear to you regarding this problem. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment section. Like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting here. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.